RV awnings are great to have, especially on hot sunny days, to protect from the sun, create some shade, and also protect you from other weather elements like rain or even snow sometimes. But unfortunately, they're not impervious and they do receive damage. You get a large gust of wind that comes through, it can easily bend the arms and rip the fabric potentially. And that's exactly what happened to my awning fabric. It got ripped and caused me to have to replace it. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did step by step to replace the awning fabric on my classy motorhome with electric awning arms. All right, so let's get started. All right, to get started, I first purchased a replacement fabric that I was able to find on Amazon, and it turned out to be pretty good quality, so I went and picked it up. Since I was solo for this particular project, I used some straps to hold the awning roller tube in place while I detached the arms from the RV itself. To do this, I connected one end of the strap to the awning roller bar on the slide out of the opposite side of the vehicle. Using a 10mm socket, I removed the lag bolts from the top and the bottom of the RV frame. Once the arms were detached from the frame of the RV, I placed zip ties around the arms to keep the gas struts from extending the arms while I was maneuvering the arms away from the RV. Next, I detached the arms from the roller tube itself. There are 4 rivets that need to be drilled out of the arm attachment holes that keep the roller tube attached to the arms. But this particular renter that had this RV tried to fix the damage, so they just used screws to connect the roller tube back to the RV arms. Once they were out, I then carefully detached the arms and then lowered the tube down. With the tube down, I then pulled the fabric off of it by sliding the attached spline all the way across the tube channel, and then did the same thing from the top of the RV across the channel from the exterior. Next, I prepared the fabric by unfolding it, spreading it out, and then feeding the spline into the fabric on the bottom and then also at the top. Once I had the fabric ready to go, I lifted it into position and started feeding it through the top channel of the RV, taking time to make sure that it was pulled across in sections so that the hems didn't get ripped going through the channel. Next, I began to feed the fabric through the tube channel with the same kind of technique. I used a step ladder to keep the tube off the ground and make sure that it was level so that I could get the fabric to go through the channel smoothly. Fortunately, it kept getting stuck, so to avoid ripping the fabric, I just ended up taping up the flap of the actual fabric to the other piece of the fabric to make it a little bit more clear. And then I had my wife help me hold one side of the tube while we pushed and pulled the fabric through. Once the fabric was completely attached to the tube, I then lined up the electric arms and attached them to the tube. Then I used the rivet gun that I picked up on Amazon to attach the rivets to the electric arms. After the electric arms were attached to the tube, I then used straps and my ladder to raise the tube and arms back into position so that I could drill the arms back into the RV mounting holes on the frame. With everything tightened down and back into position, I gave the awning a quick test and the job was complete. So there you have it, a completed RV fabric replacement on my Class C motorhome. And hopefully you got some value out of it. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing. I've posted other videos about similar, related RV topics that I'm sure could be helpful as well. If you happen to have a specific question about what I did in this video or just in general, you want to leave a suggestion or a comment, leave that in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.